Hello YouTube, I'm sharpening my cheap Harbor Freight folding saw. Can you see how shiny that little triangle is? Can you see those? You see how shiny them are? Before I sharpen them. So let me turn around this way and show you the angle. See the nice angle it has to it? Okay, let me show you the other side where it's dull. We won't look at the point of the teeth. We'll just look at the... Can you see that? They don't look as good. See? You can even look across there. See how they're... Just don't have that nice shape to them. Because it's been hit stuff and wore down. So I don't want to make a video on sharpening these. I'm just learning this. There. Let's look at the other side that way at that angle. See that? Now you know what I mean, right? You watch my other video, I kind of explained how the file works. So we'll continue this, then we'll go out and test on a piece of wood, because I know how dull it is. You just have to trust me. If I saw through something and say, oh wow, this is better, well it's going to be better. These are cheap, they're only like $8. And I've had it for several years. I chop up branches and stuff when they fall, and I have kindling wood for the wood stove. So, no biggie. I mean, but if I could sharpen it, I don't have to buy another one, right? So I can get my money's worth over and over and over again. Stay tuned. This won't be too long a video. Okay, this is the second side. They look pretty good. You know, they got that little point. That's what does the cutting. If you get one of these and study it, you'll figure it out. Especially what I've showed. You'll figure out how these cut. You cut on the backstroke, and you're cutting that way. And that's why I say you have to have it also sharp. You know, you want this part sharp. You're filing it from the other side. Back here doesn't really matter. The long, I just remember, do the long one where the point is. This one doesn't matter a whole lot. I really don't think it does. Because it doesn't get dull. It looks about the same. I don't know if you can see where I filed them or not. It's going to be a different color. Yeah, you can. See in there? Here's one. See where it's still got the same factory color right in there? So I wasn't worried about the whole thing. I'm just getting where it's up here. You know, we're just practicing. We're not making it perfect. And this removes a lot quicker than what you think. It's a diamond file. And the dust you see is not diamond dust. I might have said that. It's the metal dust. You're not going to wear this out too quick. This is a nice little tool. It's kind of neat looking, huh? Okay, let's saw a piece of wood. We're bored. We're making this video on Sunday. We're bored. It's going to get hot out. Right now it's cool. It's only 75 in the shop. It will be hot here in another hour or so. Okay, let's saw a piece of wood. This is mulberry. It's probably been cured up my rafters for a couple years. We don't want to take a whole lot out of this because we might use this stick for something. So we'll come out here and do short wafers, small. But on a pole saw, you might have to go this way, kind of like with a hacksaw. You ever notice you do that? Kind of go the opposite. So we're not putting a lot of muscle. We're seeing how good it cuts. It's kind of a bouncy thing I'm working on. Not to lecture, I see people pull something like this. That's not normal to me. Bending over like out on the floor. No. If you have a vise that's like chest high, or you can sit in a chair like I am and pull down, because that's how you cut. Trust me, I watched the pros do it on videos. Because then you control how much you're pulling. You can go lightly, you can really get in there and dig. So we're not going for speed here, we're going for accuracy. This is for bushcraft. This is for making little things out of wood sticks and stuff. Well, I bought these. Plus I trimmed trees in my yard. Okay, that fell off. What's it look like? That was probably done with when it was dull. I bet it was. Let's say not bad. You want to see another one? Yes or no? Okay, I'll pause here, and we'll come back. We'll do one real fast. We got to move the thing over so we don't flex so much. Okay, we're wedged up here. See, you're supposed to do this before you start filming. Justin, we're wedged up. Let's go. Let's get it started good. Don't want to slip. Yep. Oh, tighten up the vise. I forgot I moved it to get a different angle. Ready? Let's go. You can time it if you want. Oh, let's see, hit a piece of metal or something. Oh, I'm beat. Well, there you go. I can't tell you what was the fast cut and what was the slow cut, but and this is pretty hard stuff. I mean, it's cured for a long time, and it's a hard little hunk of wood. I mean, mulberry, it's not a bad wood. It's not super great for, you can make a fishing rod out of it. Be careful, the thinner it is, you're just going to crack. But a good sized stick like I had, and I've got some, you can make a homemade fishing pole. There you go. Thanks for watching. I'll leave you a couple photographs there.